Welcome to this tutorial on how to import an Excel file into Power BI and create a simple visualization using a bar graph. So this is the Excel file which we are going to import, which contains product ID, product name, and also the sales of the product. Now we will close this Excel file and jump into the Power BI. Open Power BI. After opening Power BI, we would be at the Home tab and we would be able to view the dashboard. Further, we are able to see import data from Excel. So after clicking on it, a pop-up would be generated. Select the file which you want to upload and click on open. The navigator window will appear, displaying a preview of the data of your Excel file. Select the table or worksheet you want. If you want to make any changes, then click on transform data, which you are able to view besides cancel tab. This navigator window will appear, displaying data of your Excel file. So this is the preview of the same. Now we can choose close and apply as shown. Wait for few seconds for data to load. So now your Excel data would now be generated and imported into Power BI. In the fields pane, you can see a list of all columns in your imported table. Click on the stacked bar chart. Zoom the chart to get a better view. Now select product name and sale from data. Here you can see a horizontal bar graph with the product name and sales. You can see on the y-axis is the product name and x-axis is the sales, sum of sales. So now by clicking on x-axis, we can view that it is sum of sales. Now on legend tab, drag the product tab under it and you can see different colors for the different products. So we will zoom it for a better view. Now we will click on the stacked column chart to see different colors for the same product. So here we are able to see how chart has transformed. So here we have went to different views. So here in the model view helps us to connect relationship between multiple tabs, tables. As we click on the product ID, The product ID gets hidden from the data tab too. Let's zoom it for better view. You can see different colors are allocated to different products. Here different colors are allocated to different products for better interpretation. So thanks for following along with the guide. We hope you find it useful. For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel.